Good morning, this is Dustin with Orlando Painters. It is January 20th, 2015. We are here at the Orangewood, Orange County Water Plant Facility, right across the street from the Orange County Convention Center. There's the 528 beach line right there, the Hilton, and then in the very background you can see the Orange County Convention Center. And this is I think this is the 6th Orange County water plant we've done. We've done all the Western Regional. There's a couple of them that we haven't done yet. We're waiting for some construction to end at a couple of the plants there so we can get finishing up the Orange County, the Western Regional division of their water plants. This is we're now in the Southern Regional, and this consists of, you know, over by International Drive and Hunters Creek and stuff like that. So airport. So this is what they call a GST. This is a concrete water tank. This water tank's right at 30 feet tall. The sides are about 24, I think, and with the dome here it goes up, it's about 30 foot. There's another one there. These are million-gallon concrete water tanks, and they vary throughout the region from 750,000 gallon tanks to 1 million to 2 million. And I believe these are 1 million. These may be 750, I'm not quite sure. But this plant hasn't been painted in a long time. The paint's really oxidized. Lots of stucco cracks. We paint all their concrete water tanks along with their like main control buildings, all their pump houses, all their control buildings, all their maintenance buildings, you know, and again, all their GSTs, water tanks. So these two buildings here down below, the body, I mean the bodies are all painted. We have you know, this top metal piece to do, that safety yellow metal track around there. We're gonna primer all that and repaint that with an industrial oil-based enamel. Like we'll probably put like a macroepoxy 646 2-part epoxy primer on there, and then finish coat it with a Acrylon 218. Something that's got really good color retention. Yellow just really fades outside bad. It's probably the fastest fading color in the spectrum, yellow and reds. So we'll put a really good 2-part polyurethane on there, and that'll hold up really well against the sun. All the bollards below, we're going to paint all those with the safety yellow as well. Really make it pop. The stucco, I think you may have, I made a video when we first started this project. The stucco on these buildings are just almost the worst I've ever seen, and I've been doing it for, you know, 25 years. There's just so many patches and stuff on here. None of the texture matches. There's smooth spots, there's rougher spots, there's major cracks, structural damage, big just concrete patch marks just protruding from the building too. I mean, whoever patched some of these areas on this building through the years must have been like a handyman or something like that. He wasn't very good at what he does. So that's not to say all handymen are that way, but this one here didn't do a very nice job. So anyway, these buildings are, you know, they're probably 50 years old, you know, getting right around 50 years old, so it's understandable, I guess. But a lot of problems with these water plants here, all these Orange County water plants. The problem we've run into is bubbling paint. You'll see in our before, during, and after pictures of these buildings here, all the bubbling paint that was on here. Even the video, I made a couple videos of this, and you'll see the bubbling paint. And what that was, you know, at one point, you know, products get better and better every year. And, you know, at one point, you know, elastomeric paint was, you know, the cat's meow, the best product, so everybody thought. And what happened, you know, back, you know, when it first came out, the paint was never breathable, it was never water permeable. So, you know, it's painting a concrete water tank that holds water, there would be no advantage to waterproofing the outside of it, you know. And I think people just, you know, oh, it's a thick coating, thick paint, you know, let's put that on, it's the cure-all product. But it was really a bad product. It fades like unbelievably fast, and like I said, it's not breathable. And water can't pass through it. Gas vapors can't pass through it without causing bubbling. And then when you apply more than one coat through the years, you keep applying elastomeric paint over elastomeric paint over elastomeric paint, now you really made it non-breathable. So anything that's trying to get through that coating is just going to cause bubbling. So you walk around all these bubbles that we did, you know, and you can poke them open and just water just pouring out of them. So stuff like this, you just need to go to your top of the line premium exterior house paint. You know, this product we're using, we're doing super paint actually on these tanks. That's one of the 4 premium lines at Sherwin-Williams. We do all the water plants with that. At first they started off, our very first plant that we did for them, they wanted a waterproofing coating again, and we did it. And then next thing you know, it started doing the bubbling just like it did as we scraped and got all the old bubbles off all the water tanks. We ended up putting the waterproofing coating back on, and about a month later it did the same exact thing again. So we had a Sherwin-Williams, you know, chemist and rep and stuff come to the plant, and you know, everybody got on the same page now, put it that way. So you just want a nice top of the line premium exterior stucco paint that's breathable and water permeable. It's what you want. So as you see, tons of cracks, a lot of different textures in this stucco as well. You know, they're old, so no big deal, but all the cracks that you can see are patched all the way around. And we're actually not even really spraying up here at all. We're just rolling it on nice and thick, just good. You can see it right here. That's a new color. It's called Mill Ivory. That's the new color of all the Orange County water plants. Like I said, I think this is our 6th, maybe our 7th plant. And we've got POs for a couple more already. So but we're just rolling all this out, nice, bright. You know, color like this doesn't fade. Takes a long time. It's 100% acrylic. It adheres real well. We've sealed all these tanks with the Sherwin-Williams Locks On conditioner, so it's all got a sealer on. Everything's got a sealer on it. And then we're gonna roll this on. Now on the sides of these tanks, we'll spray and back roll. Spray it on real heavy, and guys, back rolling right behind there. It's all satin finish. But the domes here, they get the blunt of the damage and the weathering and stuff, so I want to roll on a nice thick coat. And I don't want to get overspray going in the air and all over these handrails all the way around, so we'll just roll these tops out. And then all the exterior doors, you know, we're gonna do those all in a dark brown color. An industrial enamel, and we're just making all the Orange County water plants uniform and look exactly the same, because they all look a little bit different. They all have this color pretty much, this kind of creamy color, and they changed it all to the Mill Ivory. We even paint all the insides of their buildings as well. So we do all their outside and all the insides of everything as well. So it's all the same color, the color you just saw getting rolled on. That's their new color for everything. And then everything is trimmed out in a dark brown color. And all the doors we use, you know, an oil-based product that's nice and durable. So, you know, workers that come here and they kick the doors open with their boots, it's not gonna, you know, it's not gonna wear on the door as fast as if you put a latex paint on the doors. So we use an industrial oil on all the doors, so it's nice and durable, and it's not going to chip, flake, or peel. Dries real hard, holds up to, you know, greasy hands and boots and everything else. And then all the trim, all the fascia, all the flashing around the buildings, that goes in your standard, you know, super paint, satin. So just like you're painting a house, basically. The insides on all the block walls inside, we use a single component epoxy, so it's super durable inside. Semi-gloss finish, so it keeps everything super clean. Just about using the right products in the right places, that's all. And applying the products the correct way. But we'd like to thank Orange County again for the business. We really appreciate it. What's going on? Nice, Mikey?
Put it on thick. Make sure you get it in all the pores and work it in the cracks.
Gotcha. So we just, again, I don't know if you heard my main guy say anything there, but he's just talking about rolling it on thick, really pushing on your roller, getting all the pores and everything filled. So you got a nice, solid, uniform finish, no roller lines, no pinholes coming through. You just want to roll it out real super nice. Take your time, do it the right way. It's what the county expects. I have people to answer to too as well, and we do a final walkthrough on every one of these projects. Do a final walkthrough. They say it looks good, or if they see something we need to fix it. So you just do it right the first time, and you don't have any problems, and you save yourself the embarrassment. But again, this is Dustin with Orlando Painters, www.orlandopainters.net. Thanks for watching this short little video. Another one of our commercial / industrial Orange County water plant painting projects. Again, Orange County, thank you very much. We appreciate it. Thank you and have a wonderful day.